Alright, y'all, we have made it back to dancing drums, this time on Explosion, the yellow drum machine as I like to call it. We got $80 in the machine. We might not play all of it, but 88 cents a spin. Look at that pot, juicy. And we're just gonna spin and see what happens. Let's see a bonus. Let's see some golden drums. Let's make anything happen right now. Oh my God, we needed a drum right there, and we would have been in some money right now. Come on, machine. Let's go. Oh, we needed one more of those little gravy boats, whatever those are, and that would have been a 5 of a kind. Yes. Oh, we needed one more. Close pot. Oh, minis at $20. I wouldn't mind that either. There's the yellow drum. That's the one we need with the 3 drums. Or drum, wild drum, and we're good to go. We're making money that way. Oh, I'm missing the button, yeah. Oh, it is. Okay, we almost had a little coin trees too. Come on, show me something. Show me something. Let's get a lot. Let's get a screen full of those food dogs. We got here. So far, nothing. Okay, yeah, 5 of a kind, $2. Okay. Coins. Oh, coins on the way is not bad. I'll take that. Oh, I saw it fly by. It's like somewhere down here, man. Okay. Oh, there's the gold one. That counts as a gold drum too, and then everything gets upgraded. Oh, dogs for $8. One more, and that would have been crazy 5 of a kind games. Raise this volume a bit so we could be happy that things go well. Coin trees. Come on, game. Come on, drums. Close the pot. Let me get something. Almost had a full screen of those coin trees there. Oh, right now we're looking kind of sad. Gold drum explosion. Stop teasing me with these gold drums and golden wilds. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Let's get that with some more drums. I'm pretty sure if you get the golden wild and like you close the pot, then all those get upgraded as well. So let's pray we get something like that. Oh my God, one drum right there, man. Yeah, we're getting crunk. I thought, oh, here we go. Here we go with the teasing. The teasing is gonna be our downfall, man. My heart can't take it. I'm gonna start losing hair. Oh my God.
You know, getting...
At the pace we're going, we might just have to leave here at 40. I don't want to throw all my money at one machine. Especially when nothing's happening right now. Come on, game. Stop doing me so dirty. We got less than 10 spins before we reevaluate our decisions. God, look, there it is. What is that? Let's get something here. We're going outside right now, y'all. You know what? Just because I'm feeling adventurous, we're gonna play this down to 30. Maybe we get something. If not, well then we regret our decisions and move on to something else. Oh my God, we needed one dog at the beginning. Alright, let's reevaluate right now. Please give me a bonus. Maybe now it'll listen. I mean, hey, the line hits could be better too. That's cool. God damn. Oh man, y'all. I don't know how we're gonna make it through this. How do we financially recover? Boats? $4 on boats. Okay, that gives us another chance to get a bonus. Oh my God, again, we needed one more dog. One more dog. Okay, but slowly climbing up, You're like, you should have left that 40, bro. We've got a situation on our hands right now. Well, we're getting robbed of our money right now. It's not doing anything for us right now. Come on. Oh, that's just nice. $16, okay. Alright, nice. Alright. Maybe, I lied. Maybe we're gonna play this. Oh my God, if we got another line hit there, I would have been like, never mind, we keep going. Actually, we might have to keep this going down to 30. Like originally we planned, I have no idea. Dancing drums, you're breaking my heart. Congratulations! Oh, you got it! That's awesome! Right. Yeah! Oh my God, our neighbor just hit the grand! That is amazing! Yeah! Oh my God, hopefully I can get some luck from that. Congratulations! Wow, y'all. That is an insane win! I've never seen that happen live. Oh my God, I ran out of storage, y'all, but our neighbor just hit almost $15,000, hit the grand. We need some of that luck right now. Let's see if we could do something similar on a smaller scale, but all right, storage issues are over with, so let's spin this down to where we were originally gonna go to, and then we'll see what we do next. Bonus before we gotta get out of here. Oh, it stopped for a second. Yeah, let's see what we can do with this. Come on, let's save the casino trip. Oh, I also got the dog. I didn't even see that. 60 dogs. So it's looking right already. Alright. We're gonna go with this one. See what we can do. Come on. Full screen of dogs. Full screen of dogs. Oh, we did one more. I mean, that's still $12 though. That's not bad. One more dog there would have been amazing. We can re-trigger, but I don't think we can get like the golden drum. Maybe we can get the golden well. I actually don't know enough about this one to know much. Halfway through our spins, I think we just made back our money. That's not bad. Thank you, storage problems. You saved us. All right, last spin. All right. We got our bonus. We got $70 back. Just 10 of that was free play. Alright, since we're feeling a little adventurous, we're gonna play this down to 60 before we leave. You know, give us a few more backup spins. Oh my god. Let's see if we can get a golden drum. If we can't get a golden drum, then like we're gonna just go ahead and cash out, get our money, move on to another machine. Reaching the end here. That was his final chance to make it happen. One more. Oh, I didn't even see it. We just got $4. Still got some more spins left. Come on. Yeah, it is a lot of people. It's like, it's incredibly packed. It's like I was just scrambling to find a machine. I just came and stumbled upon it. I was scrambling to find a machine because everybody's just everywhere. I just happened to stumble upon like this one. It was like some people just got off of this like right before we got here. And yeah, I was like, okay, let's keep playing, but within a few minutes, that's still insane. It's crazy, it's awesome. All right, y'all, but that's it for Dancing Drums Explosion, and we'll be back.